Alright guys, yeah, we're not gonna get in focusing. That's what it looks like. There's the bearing, bolts to the plate, and there's your stub that goes on the end of the steering box. It goes through the bearing and just keeps it from walking back and forth. Use that stub to bolt the pitman arm on, and it does bolt underneath sway bar bushings. Definitely a strengthener of the steering box here. Keep that thing from flexing down at the bottom, keep it from wearing out. It was a relatively inexpensive fix for this. So it's also supposed to help the death wobble. But a lot of the death wobble probably came from severely bad ball joints and, you know, loose components everywhere. But we're done. Call it a day. Take an easy day today. And then we'll get back on this thing. Probably tomorrow. Start lining up and screwing down, and I'll set the fenders on, change the hood over, and square everything up, put a couple screws in it, and then we'll be ready to start stitching it together. But it'll look good, a lot better than it did, with a decent core support, some paint underneath there. It'll look good. So all right, we're done with the Dodge diesel. This truck's ready to hit the road. I've pretty much got everything finished I wanted to do on it. Front end, the lift pump, tires, gauges, aftermarket gauges. Now if I could only find a good computer, seeing as I've already bypassed pretty much everything. I got one more gauge I got to put on, another oil pressure gauge I'm going to run for the fuel pressure. I figure oil pressure, oil, diesel fuel, it shouldn't hurt the sending unit. I mean, hot oil or basically diesel fuel is just a lubricant. So we'll see. It was a cheap gauge, so I'm out. You know, 18 bucks if it ruins it. Alright, we'll have to do a drive in this thing. It don't have, well, I've got third gear. Third gear is good. No chunky noises or anything, but I have no synchronizers in third gear, so that'll be the next thing on the list. I've already got the a bearing and synchro kit for it, so I'll be pulling this thing out, pulling it apart. I actually have videos of me building the upper shifter and shifter rods and bushings and all that stuff. Had to replace the fork. When you was shifted, it would pull out and drop between the gates, and then it would jam. You'd have to pull the shifter out and line the forks back up. All right, somebody calling. All right, y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.